In the 2009 ODI series against Sri Lanka, a young Virat Kohli played a defining innings at Eden Gardens, scoring his maiden century. Coming in at a precarious 23 for 2, Kohli displayed remarkable maturity, crafting a steadying partnership with Gautam Gambhir to guide India in a tricky chase. Kohli's innings was a perfect blend of technique and temperament as he carefully negotiated the Sri Lankan bowlers. His ability to maintain the required run rate through smart batting and calculated risks was crucial to India's success. Scoring 107, Kohli not only anchored the chase but also set the tone for his future as a reliable match winner for India. This performance was a glimpse of the brilliance that would come to define his illustrious career. Kohli's century against Sri Lanka was more than just a personal achievement. It marked the emergence of a young star destined to become one of the game's greats.
There he goes. The first 100 for Virat Kohli in one-day internationals. And it's a brilliant innings under pressure. Great moment for...
In the first test against the West Indies in Antigua in 2016, Virat Kohli delivered an outstanding innings that highlighted his skill and leadership. Batting first, Kohli dominated the West Indian bowlers with a blend of aggression and elegance, showcasing his trademark cover drives and wristy flicks. Kohli formed a vital partnership with Ravichandran Ashwin, anchoring the Indian innings and reaching his first double century in Test cricket. His commanding 200 not only put India in a strong position but also demonstrated his ability to excel in challenging conditions. This innings was a testament to Kohli's determination and skill, further cementing his status as one of cricket's greats.
Test match cricket to go with you.
But it's found the gap, there's a fielder there in the deep, and that's the single that will take him to 200 runs. Virat Kohli, the first Indian captain to get a double 100 outside India.
October 2013, during the second ODI against Australia in Jaipur, Virat Kohli delivered one of the most explosive innings of his career. Chasing a mammoth target of 360 runs, Kohli stunned everyone with a breathtaking knock of 100 not out of just 52 balls. Kohli reached his century in a mere 52 deliveries, marking the fastest ODI century by an Indian at the time. His innings was a masterclass in aggressive yet controlled batting as he effortlessly dismantled the Australian bowling attack. This knock not only helped India achieve a record chase but also showcased Kohli's ability to perform under pressure. It was a defining moment in his career, reinforcing his status as one of the premier limited over batsmen in the world.
He'll get 100. The fastest.
Kohli's century against Australia in Jaipur remains one of his most iconic innings, highlighting his exceptional talent and indomitable spirit. In 2018, Virat Kohli produced one of his finest test innings against South Africa in Centurion, facing a formidable pace trio of Vernon Philander, Kagiso Rabada and Morne Morkel on a challenging pitch. Kohli stood tall while others struggled. Kohli's masterful 153 was the backbone of India's innings as he single-handedly took on the South African bowlers. The next highest score from his teammates was just 46, highlighting the magnitude of his achievement. Kohli's innings was a blend of grit and skill, exemplifying his ability to thrive under pressure and against quality opposition. Despite India's defeat, his knock remained a standout performance in testing conditions. This innings was a testament to Kohli's exceptional talent and leadership, reinforcing his reputation as one of the greatest batsmen of his era.
Gee, that's a good shot. That's gone so smartly to the boundary line. That is brilliant from Kohli. Magnificent innings. Not finished yet.
In January 2017, Virat Kohli delivered an extraordinary innings in the first ODI against England in Pune. Chasing a daunting target of 351, India was struggling at 63 for 4 when Kohli walked in. Kohli, in partnership with Kedar Yadav, crafted a remarkable innings of 122, expertly pacing his knock with aggressive stroke play and strategic partnerships. His ability to handle pressure and chase down big totals was on full display. Kohli's innings was a masterclass in limited overs batting, showcasing his unmatched ability to finish games. His century laid the foundation for a memorable chase, with India clinching victory by 3 wickets. August 2018, Edgbaston, Birmingham. Virat Kohli played one of the most defining innings of his Test career against England. On a challenging pitch where other Indian batsmen struggled, Kohli showcased his resilience and class. Kohli's magnificent 149 was the backbone of India's innings as he battled against a potent English bowling attack led by James Anderson. His innings was a masterclass in technique and determination, guiding India to a competitive total. This knock was particularly significant as it came after a difficult tour of England in 2014, where Kohli struggled with the bat. His performance in Birmingham silenced critics and reaffirmed his status as one of the world's leading batsmen.
Kohli's on 97, looking for his 100, and finds his 100. Wow. Talk about the passion.
Kohli's innings was not just about runs, it was a statement of his grit and skill, earning him respect and admiration on a global stage. In a high-pressure ICC World T20 encounter against Australia in Mohali, Virat Kohli delivered an unforgettable innings. Chasing 161 in a do-or-die match, India found themselves under immense pressure as the required run rate climbed. Kohli's unbeaten 82 of 51 balls was a masterclass in chasing, characterized by precision, timing, and a steely resolve. As wickets fell around him, Kohli kept his composure, expertly maneuvering the ball into gaps and accelerating when it mattered most. His knock turned the tide in India's favour, guiding them to victory with 5 balls to spare. Kohli's innings was a testament to his unparalleled ability to chase under pressure, earning him widespread acclaim and the Player of the Match award. This innings against Australia was a defining moment in Kohli's career, reinforcing his reputation as one of the greatest finishers in the game.
MS Dhoni, the skipper, has done it. India have made the semi-finals of the ICC World 2020. They have brought their best to Chandigarh. What a beauty we've witnessed.
In the intense India-Pakistan clash during the Asia Cup 2012 in Mirpur, Virat Kohli played one of the most remarkable innings of his career. Chasing a challenging target of 330, Kohli produced a scintillating knock that left an inedible mark on the cricketing world. Kohli's majestic 183 of 148 balls was a masterclass in ODI batting. Facing a potent Pakistani bowling attack, he exhibited flawless technique and unwavering focus, guiding India to a famous victory with more than 2 overs to spare. This innings not only underscored Kohli's prowess in chasing big totals, but also highlighted his temperament in high-pressure situations. It was a defining moment in his career, earning him the Player of the Match award and etching his name in the annals of India-Pakistan cricket history.
It's a classic Virat Kohli who's put him away for a magnificent 6.
Kohli's 183 against Pakistan remains one of the most iconic innings in the Asia Cup history. In the Commonwealth Bank Series 2012, Virat Kohli's unbeaten 133 of 86 balls against Sri Lanka in Hobart was a remarkable chase. Facing a target of 321, Kohli's explosive innings helped India achieve victory in just 36.4 overs, keeping their tournament hopes alive. Kohli's innings was a masterclass in chasing, showcasing his ability to perform under pressure and solidifying his reputation as one of the greatest ODI batsmen. This knock was pivotal in establishing him as a key figure in world cricket.
For one of the best one-day international hundreds one can remember, a night he'll never forget. Virat Kohli.
On October 23, 2022, at the iconic Melbourne Cricket Ground, Virat Kohli played one of the most memorable innings of his career in front of a roaring crowd of 90,000 plus. India faced Pakistan in a high-stakes T20 World Cup match and the pressure was palpable. India was reeling at 31 for 4 with Pakistan's pace attack dominating the early exchanges. The spectre of the previous year's defeat hung over the team and Kohli's form was under intense scrutiny after a prolonged wait for his 71st international century and a mental health break. But then came the innings that silenced all doubters. Kohli, with his back against the wall, orchestrated a masterclass in chasing, anchored by a shot that would echo around the world.
Kohli goes down the ground. Kohli goes out of the ground. Wow. This is a sensational hit from Virat Kohli.
From a seemingly hopeless 31 for 4 to needing 28 runs from 8 balls, Kohli's brilliance brought India back into the contest. His unbeaten 82 of 53 balls, culminating in a thrilling last ball victory, showcased his unmatched skill and mental fortitude. The chase master had returned, reaffirming his status as cricket's undisputed king. Virat Kohli's career is a testament to hard work, talent, and an unyielding will to win. These top 10 innings not only highlight his skill, but also his ability to rise to the occasion. As fans, we can only hope for such magic in the years to come. If you enjoyed this journey through Kohli's iconic innings, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more cricket stories and analysis. Comment below on which innings you think deserves the top spot. See you next time.